Tobo eh.
Now, person, me faster that CBG. We stand with you. Vodafone, together we can. Access Bank, more than banking. Latest from your partner for life, My Life Insurance Company Limited. I'm gonna say I see a dinner person, bro. I just say what daily graphics today.
I
mean, imagine.
What Ghana say Kenya? Kenya could have affordable houses and grow 42. Who don't go to Kenya? What do you not come? Daily graphic do bokra 10 years and afi Ghanaian Times so han kratan de dodo no a e wo ha sei na graphic anim no swafo abedi akire ye ohwe ngmasu ho nsam so wo de nsam atodwa ye me de papa sa de we nyame nko a ka me say kam je school bullying
amu bully wa
so wa ko school no bi so de nani asi wo so pa wo di agra wo so na pa na ma mi dware no aye masew
asemo
wo be so agu yam sa free nkoda birem bullying sa copy messages
go akoshia de yenhia
me draw da nwa secondary school obi so say e kabane slate white ntoma e de sorry kwasi ada
oh okay
obi say me slate chime dodo megene boy akura 14 years am no for kura maaye na wa season me ntoma me pa ma me sabe mfa school no wa see
wa Jeff Nsem asemo
e dru kwasi ada nya tare and it is still going on
in the schools
me de papa say doctor ya was said to me so we dey egu akwam na bullying ye akoso schools ahodo ma nkura na ni nka school mu no wo mo atumi atuase na omo so ebuli nkrofo wonim ebe wi ase na obodo nkomi
asemo
se nya obi a na ye de yensa ka no for yehudi ti sa na tie nti ya me de pass mpanifo ekọ ne sa
adwa obeto awe no so e de kokoba abremu mienu say monhwe na make sure you don't lose your job so as also some journalists have lost their jobs for just talking the truth like you are saying. Question Adwa. Me dem nka.
O dem nka. Yeah, that's the sound your foot na bro. Oh my god. I just was. I put you in there.
Also me family me I don't go anymore.
Kingsford Akwete. I'll say good morning from Belgium. CJ and Asempa. Take it easy. You people are too emotional. It's true that teachers' salaries are not that much, but some of the teachers have themselves to blame because they fail to upgrade themselves. Yo, Yate, yeah, that's it, why?
It's the center spread of the Daily Graphic. In Fifia, or say Ghana Highway Authority declares war on overweight, overheight loaded trucks. Where by at water overhead.
Yeah,
one more to me as a sabo, dear Martin say, Nadia say, ever fast here. You see a buying
madness everywhere.
Yeah,
madness.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Yeah, but
what's what brodia
mad.
Well, load the brodia pass out the free back now. The bar. When him say height, no can height now the name. It's Yamra.
But I load the abroso.
Chin.
And I the num. Yeah. I the namonyina.
Roadway is a sentence. Say go kwan.
I the namonyina.
Then I am badam.
No, come here, story okoye. Say be to just say come making a day.
Yeah.
A day.
I tell you.
Bible within a day.
Yes,
now we have it now. Internet can't fix the country. I don't want to fix your attitude because they have to tell us.
Now we are. Now this one ko babai. Sabi wa adwene no eda tribunal. Sabi.
This overhead na se wudu say iron rods ni nyina bubu am apiepie. E car na akoye ne sa o. O ene na onam ase e kira na onam soro na adwira gum because obubu iron rods na wase ni nyina dada.
Asamo.
Na kia overhead the new boso mienza kwa brane akotutu dia mode sam hoyin na de
yeah
watipuma tutu na adwa kofa kia
asesegum
actually light pole atutu bulbs nyina de ko ube kom na John Kibio.
Is this not madness?
Ko west scalo na sa abanso
wait anya dam
di patra dra kwa Glasgow amutie dedi
anya dam
sika no obi a wi ne de o kwa
yaso ne wi na ebo yen no
eno ano we ya no de yini no de abepem MP ni minister we realize
yaso ne wi ana ebo yen no
Adio ke be so we light bulb sa no de yini kira no ogina assemblyman be wi ase ne appoint them see no okopa MP no aduru minister
ajo asumje nkan we na we de jam kwan ya wie